building. One of our machines lost a hose, and they had to find the water, so we had to leave the lab early. I had to unplug several pieces of equipment, thousands of dollars. So we might not have work tomorrow. If they don't shut down the water, they need to call the city, municipality, and just get that water shut down. So this, because it's already coming down to the first floor, and it came in my lab. So we don't want to lose thousands and thousands of dollars of government work. We need to get this taken care of. So I'm looking left and right, keeping space. And we're moving okay. We're about a slow 30, but we're moving. And I don't want to get any closer to the semi-truck. You see that bar that's down there by the tires? That keeps our car from submarining. Try to say that real fast, or going under the vehicle. And they're from Maine. Everything's going pretty good. We're at 20, I'm fine. People carrying materials, I don't want to be behind them. So if you were driving with me, I would probably get you in the middle lane or the lane to the left and tell you just take your time. It is a little bit of anxiety when I'm here right now. It's a little stressful because of the rain, because I'm behind the semi-truck. And I'm just trying to take my time and be consistent. We're at a nice 45 again. This is why you need to leave early, so you can arrive alive. They're moving over. I'm going to drive for me and stay in the middle lane. Then I'm going to get over one lane. I can barely see because the windows are fogged up. The heater is on. The defroster is on. I'm in the no zones again of this truck. I don't like being here. I don't want to be here. So I'm going to try to get out of this blind spot as soon as possible. They might not be able to see me because they're up high, they're blind spots. So I'm just going to keep, well, there's that truck again. You can hear the whistle of the turbo. That was an Expello. That expels some of the air in the line because I used to work on trucks. Sorry I'm talking so loud, but I want you to hear this so you know what I'm going through and what it's like, so you understand. So what do? I'm just staying here right now. I'm at 60, I'm okay. Traffic's moving pretty good. Do I want to be here? No, but there's nothing I can do right now. Keep looking at that truck. That's no joke. And the driver said, we teach you. So I'm going to get over one lane to the left, mirror, turn signal. It's a little hard in all this rain. I'm not going to lie to you. If you were driving this, I would say you're doing a great job. It's a white knuckle drive. But you can see all that water and mist kicking up. And that's going to squeeze brakes. Visibility is very low, so in these type of conditions, you just want to go slow. It's really easy to get rear-ended. That car is going too fast. They're going to force. Someone's going to spin out, and I don't want it to be me, because in all this weather, it might be the Canadian police. In all this weather, the tires can't kick out all the water, and then that's when hydroplaning occurs. And this is where your trip, a 2-hour trip, would take 4 hours. This is why you need to plan ahead and make sure your car is in good condition. You don't turn the wheel really much. You just go in slow. You look ahead at the tracks. And it looks okay, but I can barely see. And these are some of the days that have to go through. It teaches you a lesson. If you go too fast, you spin out. If you go too slow, you hold up traffic. If you can't see, you move to the right. And I try to stay consistent. Too much here. This is really dangerous. I'm just trying to get my speed, get my bearings so I can see. Just take my time. I'm going to get over the lane to the left and try to move out of all this. And you can see all this. And they do studies on this and the tires. You got to have good tires for this type of weather conditions. It's almost like a movie, but I'm not going to put myself in danger. And that's the way I want you to think. You don't want to put yourself in danger. This semi-truck is a hazardous material carrier. Road rage.